Well, percenters, welcome back. Coach Tommy here today in this video to teach you 4 advanced variations to the between the legs crossover dribble move. So that's a double move in itself. Between the legs crossover, that's already a double move. Okay, so I'm gonna give you 4 variations on that. Okay, and then it'll help you expose your defender. Now there are advanced variations. Okay, so the 4 major things that separates a beginner and an advanced are the ability to have a core shift when making a move. You have to understand that in order to make any real move, the ball has to be in your hand. You have to have athletic body control, okay? You have to be able to control your body in many different positions. So that comes from, working out and all those workout videos that I put out for you guys. Okay, and lastly, the 4th thing that you need to be more advanced or need to consider you advanced is the footwork. Okay, so if you don't have those 4 things, I wouldn't consider you advanced. Okay, beginners can completely go between the legs crossover, but the more control, the more you can control your core shift, the more amount of time that the ball is in your hand, and the more elite your footwork will determine whether or not I think you're advanced, quote unquote, or not. Okay, so footwork, core control, overall body control, and the ability to be comfortable with the ball in your hand a lot. Okay, before I go on too much, there's 2 beginner myths that I need to break, and that's being able to dribble low. That doesn't really work because that stuff I'll teach beginners. Rarely will you ever dribble that low in a game. Okay, maybe if we're trying to protect or something like that, or stall or something like that, yeah, that'll happen. Okay, very rare. And then lastly, dribbling with your eyes up. Okay, sometimes we want our eyes to be down to sell a move. Okay, if you want to sell a hesitation. Okay, so eyes down while you're dribbling is not necessarily a bad thing. Okay, we don't want to be completely all eyes down all the time, but understand advanced players dribble with the eyes down all the time, and they use it against their defenders. So if I dribble with my eyes down, they might think I'm driving. Does not mean that I don't see the defense, anything behind, so on and so forth. All right, moving on. Between the legs, advanced variations, between the legs crossover. So the first one, okay, it's always gonna be a delayed between. So the ball, we're gonna step, ball's gonna go through the leg, ball has to be in our hand. Okay, the first one is just with the jab forward, so pull it back. The further that we lean out, okay, the more we can sell it. So if I go here, and I go ahead and lean, and pull back. Okay, so get it out there. Step, lean out. Step, lean out. And the harder you push, the harder you can come back. So step out, come back. Try to come back to neutral right now. Step, come back. Change the rhythm, level, direction. Do all that. Okay, so that's the first one. Delayed, and then cross it back. Second one. Okay, we're gonna go here. And then when it's in our hand, we're gonna move our foot out again, okay? So this is on the toe tap. And then we're gonna come back. The timing, when you cross that ball back, will determine whether or not that defender bites on the move, okay? Aggressively push back. We can do it slow. Remember, change the rhythm, change the pace, all that good stuff. Okay, make sure our bottom foot right now, our anchor foot in the back, okay, that's still on the floor. If we need to extend a little further, we want to internally rotate that foot, okay? Boom, boom, to push it back, okay? Don't lift or drag that foot right now, okay? Next one, this one, we're gonna, between the legs, delayed, okay? Get it into your hand, and then skip, okay? So, ball, and then skip. Between, step, lift, boom, boom, pass it back. Okay, between, and yank it back. Between, skip, and then come back. Between, 1, 2, step it back. That's different from the toe tap. Okay, so they look a little bit different. Okay, so those are the 3, and obviously if we're here, we can just explode out of it. So the delay between, no matter what that a defender chooses of the 4 looks, he's gonna be wrong. He'll be right 25% of the time. So 1 out of 4 times he's gonna be able to stop you, okay? But if he's all over your move, you can just retreat, you can relax, okay? Doesn't mean he's gonna stop you that second time. So practice the 4, delayed, explode, okay, real hard with just the jab, okay, just the jab, core shift, toe tap, okay, and then delayed, and skip. Okay, so give that some reps, okay, and then once you start getting good at all that, okay, use more force, and then add your cross step so we can start to really sell the move, and then once he bites, we can take advantage by coming all the way across, okay? So skip, cross step, okay? So if you're a beginner or not as advanced, just bring it back to neutral when you're practicing. As you get better, come all the way across with your body. Okay, that's all I got for you guys today. That's 4 variations, advanced variations on the cross between move. Okay, if this is all the way too advanced, go back to the dribbling transformation stuff. Okay, if this stuff is helpful, okay, just drop me that little stopwatch emoji, leave a comment, and subscribe, do all that stuff. Okay, that's all I got for you guys today. Remember, take 14 minutes, 24 seconds, or 1% of your day to get better. Peace out.